What's up, y'all? I got a smoker sitting here that's ready to go right now, and I was gonna do a quick video on it. It's a 40 by 18 reverse flow with 18 by 18 firebox, 1/4 inch steel. And so let's take a look at it right quick. It has 8-inch wheels on it, easy to roll across the ground. 2 thermostats, clamps and gaskets on the chamber door, temp port in the side. You got a drain on the bottom. Table's been wrapped around the corner. It's 1/4 inch steel, 4-inch smoke pipe with the smoke collector on it. That pulls a nice even draft across there. Got a coal basket, ash pan in the fire pot. It has 2 slide out racks in it. And the plates inside, the baffle plate, it's removable. You can see inside there. That way, if you wanted to direct grill, there's a coal rack and an ash pan under there as well. And all you'd have to do is open the vent on the side there and close the vent on the firebox. And it would let you direct grill then. And you could use those plates as tuning plates then also. Like I say, it's 40 by 18, it's 22 inches deep. It's deeper like that to allow room for grilling. Firebox is 18 by 18. And right now, this one is 1100, ready to go. It's usually a little more with a lot of the add-on stuff I did, like wrapping the table and the temp port, the ash pan inside the main chamber there, the smoke collector. But right now, it's 1100. It's ready to go today if anybody wants it. Let me show you what those wheels. This is a lot of weight in 1/4 inch steel. And I mean, it just slides across the ground. It moves real good. So anyway, I'll put my email in the description box. If anybody's looking for one or looking for this one specifically, just shoot me an email. And like I say, it's ready to go. Now, if somebody else, if there's a couple people looking, I'm usually right now about 2 months out on orders. So this one is going to go fast. So if you want it, want to take a look at it, just shoot me an email and we'll get something set up for you. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and y'all come back for the next one.